Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the mitosis promoting factor, which was previously called as the maturation promoting factor due to its involvement in the meiosis. The transition from fertilization to cleavage involves several events. One of the major event in this transition is the activation of mitosis promoting factor, that is the MPF. The progesterone enable the egg to break down its dormancy and enter the meiosis by converting pre-MPF complex into the active mitosis promoting factor. The MPF shows cyclical activity, which in turn controls the biphasic cell cycle of blastomeres. The biphasic cell cycle means the cell cycle involving only two phases, that is the mitosis phase and the synthetic or S phase. The activity of MPF is highest during M phase and virtually undetectable during the S phase. The mitosis promoting factor is involved in resumption of meiosis in ovulated frog eggs, regulation of cell cycle of early blastomeres. Thus, when maturation promoting factor is micro-injected into the blastomeres enter the M phase and there is a breakdown of nuclear envelope, condensation of chromatin to chromosomes in the blastomeres. The mitosis promoting factor consists of two subunits. The larger subunit is called as the cyclin B, while the smaller subunit is called as the cyclin dependent kinase, like P34. The cyclin B is encoded by mRNAs stored in oocyte cytoplasm. That is, this cyclin B is maternal in origin. The cyclical behavior, that is accumulation during S phase and degradation once the cell reaches the M phase of cyclin, regulates mitosis of rapidly dividing blastomeres. Second, the cyclin dependent kinases, as the name indicates, the CDK activity is regulated by cyclin B. CDK activates mitosis by two mechanisms: by phosphorylating target proteins like histones, nuclear lamins, and regulatory subunit of cytoplasmic myosin, and by condensing the chromatin, depolymerizing the nuclear envelope, and organizing the mitotic spindle. Thank you.